Imagine being trapped underground with no way to escape and no one to hear your cries. This poor animal accidentally fell into a narrow, deep well. Every passing minute was a fight for survival. But hope arrived. A group of brave rescuers reached the spot. It wasn't easy. The hole was tight, and one wrong move could have been fatal. With teamwork and determination, they slowly lifted the exhausted animal back to the surface. You can see the relief in his eyes, a life saved, thanks to these heroes. If you believe every life matters, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing rescue stories.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing rescues.